First thing, to jack up the car, safety is first. I use ramps, and I always use it on grass because it's steady more than concrete. After you ramp the car up, because the fuel filter is here next to the battery box, you put the jack stands next to the jacking points, the original jacking points. This will be the second safety procedure, and you put your, if you have the extra tires or any extra blocks of wood, this is my winter tire, so I put it just in case anything happens. It will support the chassis of the car. To the other side we do the same thing. And extra, this is first, second, and this is the third safety, which is the anti-roll blocks, which are the wedges that come just to support the car. Beside that, after you finish ramping your car on the ramps, you put the first gear and your handbrake, engage your handbrake. This is to ensure that we did the safety for such a job. Before you're doing anything beneath the car, always beneath the car, try to wear mask and goggles to protect, because there will be a lot of dust and the dirt that will go into your face, so try to work safe using your safety tools. Socket tools I'm going to use for the fuel filter: 8mm socket, it's either manual or on the drum, Phillips screwdriver, and just bag or box to put the screws in it. Usually I put all my instruments when I work, including the safety, especially when you work on the fuel system. Make sure that you have your distinguisher next to you. Drain, because we put it beneath the filter when we drain it out. The new filter here, this is the new filter. Before you do anything, push your car on both sides all the way back, so make sure that it's not moving, and we can continue from there. And I'm using this is magnet box that will keep the screw in, so I don't have to lose it. Again, I'm gonna remove the screws until I have good access, or remove the whole panel. So first thing, we will start uncovering the fuel filter. You have the front plate, this one. It has 3 screws. You have to remove the middle one, which comes here, and the last one is connected to the middle plate. The middle plate is a hinge. You have 2 screws, 1, 2, and you have 2 screws from the back, also 1, 2, connecting to the back plate there, and you have 2 screws from here. Once you dismantle those, and careful not to break this one, so you may dismantle it first, the first one. Okay, it has this one connected to the plate, and it will be in its face unless you remove the second one. And careful not to move your jack stands, make sure that's still in the jacking points. Meanwhile, now we have our filter fuel, obvious here. Here's the filter fuel, and this is the mounting clip, and this is the battery. Here is the battery. Okay. This is I think this is the vacuum. Okay, and connected to the filter fuel from the back. Okay. After I uncover the plate for the fuel filter, first thing, I'm gonna open the fuel tank cap and release the pressure by opening the cap itself. And I will leave it this way. Close it. This will relieve the pressure vacuum on the vacuum vent, which will be the first tube to remove from the filter. It's the vent tube. Now, this is the fuel filter. This white hose, this is the vent. This one is the vent. This is the first one I'm gonna remove to release the pressure from inside the filter. And then I'll start removing the screws of all the other 3. This is one next to the vent, and the other 2 next to this and this one. This is all Phillips clips, and I will release the filter in its place. And then, because it will give me more retention to remove the hoses, then if it's applicable, which is not applicable here because I have this pan, I will remove this retaining clip I will remove it, so it will give me space to remove the old filter and refit the new filter. Make sure there is arrow. Once you remove your filter, there is arrow to show the fuel direction. Put it in your mind, because you're gonna fit the new filter in the same position, same arrow direction. Okay, now because I'm gonna work for the fuel filter, I'm not gonna be using my telephone. The fumes and the hot weather now we have, it's around 30 degrees. I'm not gonna use my telephone, so it doesn't cause any, God forbid, like fire or something like that. Some filters like this one doesn't have the orientation. It will tell you, it's written where's the tank and where's everything, but for sure as DIYers, some of you don't know, so this you can compare which one was where. The biggest tubes were here, and this is the vent, same shape of the old one, and this is the other tube that have the screw plug clamp. You can use this is the vent. Okay, it's connected this way. Okay, this goes to the tank and to the I think the catalyzer, and this one goes to the fuel filter. Take it out because it will make the job easier reaching. When you want to take the tubes here, okay, unclip the screws and then pry it out. Don't use screwdriver. Pry this out a little bit, it will go. And take the clip out of this bump. Release it, widen it until it's away. Because if it stays here, it will still catch here, and you don't want to ruin your connections. So pry it between the tube itself and the metal. And still, I have still my fuel filter clipped in the big clip. So steady, kind of. Pry it out until you release it, and don't forget to put it back. I'll try very fast to make a catch, because I don't like to use telephone next to the filter. Here, you have this is the other tube, and there was the vent here, and this was above. So this is what I was saying. Like this, pry it out a little bit, close, slowly and slowly until it is released. And this vent goes here, the other end. Then once I have this, I don't know why all of them don't say the truth. Difficulty is just to access the job, which will take half time. I will have to unscrew this clip, because usually, and even in the Heidi's textbook, they don't show you the tank, just tell you clip it out. So anyway, remove this, and after we finish, let it drain, okay, and remove your filter from this clip, so you can remove it out of this big metal clip. Okay, here's the new filter. I have noticed that the center one is the biggest one, which goes to the tank. Next, no wait, it's the thinner one. Here it's obvious, this is the vent one, and this is the other tube. So when you take the hoses out, like this, notice the sequence. So remember to connect it right. This is the thin hose, which comes first from above. And if you want to put a sticker over it before, just to notice that it goes to the thin end. Okay, and this is the biggest one, which goes to the center of the filter. The other side is so obvious. This big tube goes to the big one, and the vent will go to this same equivalent middle end. Okay, now it's time to remove this clip. It's 8mm, so just remove it, and it will be free to take out your fuel filter. So here, after I remove this 8mm bolt, you slide all of this towards you. Here it clips to those. See, it's sliding. Once you put it back, it will go. You slide it inside the car, and you fix it. Let it drain a little bit, because this is the fuel inside the filter itself. Let it drain so I can remove it. And don't forget to put your goggles on. Okay, now I put all the tubes except the ventilator tube. I'll put it at the end when I fix the screw. Don't screw the bolts here, because you have to put the filter in the clip, and the last hose here, this clip will interfere with the insertion in this clip. So leave it loose, just put the hoses up to the end like this, and on the other side This is the other side. Where is it? Here. Yes, like this. Okay, let's put it to the other side. Once we finish this clipping, the main one, put it back. We'll screw everything back so it will be tight enough. Okay, now everything is fixed. Everything is fixed. I will leave it. I'm not gonna switch on the engine because it's still like remnants of the fuel. Okay. The only thing I'm gonna do is leave it for 1 hour, and I will close the fuel cap to restore the vacuum inside. And in this state, we have finished installing the new fuel filter.